Sometimes your body just needs a little extra help. Injury, aging, overuse, and chronic conditions can all slow healing down and leave tissue irritated, inflamed, and stuck. When an area is under stress, the cells responsible for repair are still trying to do their job, but they don't have the energy they need. Inside that injured tissue, energy powers the work of healing. But when energy is low, recovery slows down too. Hi, this is where I come in. I'm a Sierra Pro Laser. I deliver focused light energy deep into the tissue where extra support is needed. I help restore energy in the injured area so the cells can get back to work and support repair. As energy comes back, inflammation starts to settle down. Your cells now have a better environment for natural tissue healing. And when the healing environment improves, your body can recover more efficiently, helping reduce pain, calm inflammation, and support faster healing.